Here is the brutal truth that kills 90% of deep tech and software startups. Having a revolutionary product is not enough. You can patent the most innovative solutions like post-quantum cryptography or build a mind-blowing molecular simulation tool or even design a game-changing quantum algorithm or even a quantum AI or a new AI model. But if you think a great product automatically equals enterprise sales, you are skipping the most critical ingredient. Major enterprises don't just buy innovation, they buy seamless integration. They want to integrate the solution into their infrastructure. And if you don't know how to bridge the gap, your tech basically will vanish. When you pitch it to a Fortune 500 company or a major government entity, you aren't just selling software, you are asking them to alter their established ecosystem and reality to adapt your product. Large organizations have rigid IT mainframes, extensive regulatory compliance, and strict liability insurances, and of course, deeply ingrained corporate culture. If your brilliant solution would require them to tear apart their existing infrastructure and bend their reality for you or take a massive risk, then they might not or they will be reluctant to adapt or buy your product. The procurement team would just kill the deal before even it reaches the board. Period. In other words, to win enterprise contracts, you can't just hand over a license key or a subscription based service link and walk away. You have to work with them. You have to work with your customer. You must build highly customizable use cases, multi use cases, prove short term mitigation strategies of their exact risks, and of course, demonstrate how your software maps perfectly on their long term strategic plans in the future. Look at the deep tech and the quantum applications in sectors like pharmaceutical or battery design or material manufacturing fields or even quantum cyber defense. The computational and architectural complexity is staggering. Take quantum grade security or complex chemical simulations. It takes immense time, hyper specialized talent, and of course, immense processing power just to move from 0 to 1 for the minimal valuable product MVP. Most enterprises desperately want the next generation capabilities to protect their data or accelerate their R&D, but they don't have the roadmap to safely ingest in. They don't just need a breakthrough tool or just something with revolution. They need an enterprise-ready guide who understands the intense regulations of deep tech procurement and, of course, their corporate culture and help them walk through it. And this is exactly why we build MolKet. We don't just hand over software and wish you luck. We also act as an ultimate bridge between the breakthrough quantum tech and rigorous enterprise readiness and realities. And of course, we integrate the state-of-the-art AI capabilities and tools to accelerate the quantum design. Through our unique ecosystem of specialized training, elite consultancy, and cutting-edge software, we take your organization from 0 to 1. We work closely with your teams to properly scope the problem, architect modeling strategies, automate theoretical designs with AI, and systematically address the enterprise friction points. Whether it's integrated into highly secure mainframes or testing real-world use cases in chemistry or molecular design, MolKet ensures your innovation lands smoothly, safely, and of course, effortlessly as well. So if you are a startup new in the field, stop fighting the enterprise ecosystem and of course, stop selling only a product with innovative idea. Think of selling an enterprise solution and start leveraging it. And in MolKit, we can help you to do so. If you are ready to scale your molecular modeling, automate your R&D pipeline, or successfully navigate deep tech integration, we are here to help. Stay tuned for our upcoming specialized webinars, insights, and elite training programs from MolKit. Please visit our website, molket.io. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button, drop your thoughts in the comments, and we will see you in the next video.